Exemplary Course Tour, MAT 131, Statistics 1. Welcome, I am Scott Horn, the creator and instructor of this online course. This course was a 2020 Exemplary Course Award winner. The course is taught at Cincinnati State Community College. Normally, the course runs over a 15-week semester that is offered in the fall, spring, and summer. And normally, between 80 to 120 students take the online course each semester. In this video, I'm going to illustrate some best practices that I use in my online course. They are grouped in one of three categories: course layout, student engagement, and communications. We will begin with course layout. These are the three topics for course layout. The navigation menu links are divided into three categories. Starting info, this is where students will find the beginning information for the course, like the syllabus and the textbook. Next is the course content. In this area, this contains the links to most of the course material. And finally, we have communications, and this is where students can find the discussion board and the group projects and also the online office hour. These three categories help organize the course links into areas that allow for easier navigation to needed material. Let's jump in the course and look at the Start Here link. Here we are in the course. The Start Here link is a springboard for the course. It contains all the important starting information about the course. As you can see, each folder has a detailed bullet list of what's in that folder, allowing students to find the needed information more quickly. In the course content area, you will find the weekly folders link. These weekly folders chunk the material into weekly pieces with weekly due dates. Everything that needs to be completed in the given week is fully contained in the weekly folder. Video content is embedded so it can be viewed directly inside of Blackboard. These folders give a consistent layout of the course material. Each weekly folder contains clear directions on what needs to be completed, a preparatory assignment, embedded instructor-created YouTube videos, My Stat Lab online homework assignments, at least one online quiz over the previous week's material, and a discussion board topic. Data from the last end of course survey, 96% of students responded yes to the question, was the course layout easy to follow and find the required material? Next is student engagement. Here are the three topics for student engagement. Instructor created videos. These videos are the backbone of the course. There are more than 100 of these videos in the course. More than 97% of all students surveyed stated that these videos were beneficial to learning the course material. Let's jump into the course and take a look. Students can view these instructor-created videos by going to a weekly folder and then scrolling to instructional content and then to a textbook section folder. In each folder, the videos are clearly labeled as required viewing or optional viewing. The required viewing videos are the videos that must be watched to complete the preparatory assignment. The supplementary videos are optional, so if a student needs to see additional examples, they can watch the videos here. In either case, all the videos are embedded in Blackboard, so they can be viewed directly inside of Blackboard. Next is the preparatory assignments. Each week, students have a preparatory assignment they must complete. These assignments ensure that the required videos have been watched and the problems completed. They are simply guided notes which help engage the three basic learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. These videos are completed by filling in the missing blanks with the keywords written in bold shown in the videos. So as the students listen and watch the videos, they engage the kinesthetic learning style by filling in the missing blanks as they watch the video. Here is an example of a couple of pages from a preparatory assignment. As students watch the videos, they fill in the missing blanks and complete the problems in the video. Past students have commented both on course evaluations and the end of course survey that the preparatory assignments were useful for learning the material. The student survey. The survey is designed to collect and aggregate opinions and other interesting information about students. This information is used to highlight statistical concepts throughout the course. The results from the survey are used on assessments, discussion board forums, and computer lab assignments. Let's look at an example. The second computer assignment uses linear regression to help identify a suspect. So students are given a crime scene photo of a bloody footprint, and using the data from the student survey, they use shoe size to predict height. Using statistical software called StatCrunch, students develop a linear model, and they can use shoe size to predict height. Communications. Here are the 4 topics involving communications. Effective communication is an essential part of an online course. Blackboard Collaborate allows for weekly synchronous interactions, and students who are mobile users can use the optional Remind app, allowing for text communications. Asynchronous communications include email, discussion board, and course announcements, which allow for previews of course material and reminder of due dates. Discussion board activities allow students to interact with one another both informally and formally. The required group projects provide additional opportunities for students to communicate with each other. Students are also encouraged to form study groups and participate in the optional icebreakers and Let's Hang Out forums to form connections with classmates. In the Ask My Instructor forum, students can post general questions about the material to both me and their classmates. When working on homework problems, a student can also click on the Ask My Instructor link, which will send me an email so I can provide support in the reply. According to the end of course survey, 98% of students answered yes to the question, were you able to communicate with your classmates and instructor if needed? Timely feedback is also important in student learning. Feedback is given to each assignment and assessment. The My Stat Lab homework assignments give immediate feedback, allowing for students to learn from their mistakes and correct misconceptions. I give feedback via the inline grading in Blackboard for all assignments. Students can view missed questions on multiple choice questions, and individual feedback is given in quizzes using the response feedback option in Blackboard. Graded tests are emailed back to students along with the keys. Students have multiple opportunities to provide anonymous feedback about the course, including a mid-semester survey, an end-of-course survey, as well as the college-provided course evaluation. Data from these surveys and evaluations are used to improve the course. Thanks for watching.